Hello everybody, welcome back to the craft room. What I come on today is I've had this in my stash forever and I thought, well, I'm going to decorate it up. So it's got a mirror on and it's got a tea light hanging in there. So what I thought I was going to do is just play and thought slip the camera on and come and join me. So I got this little flower doily and I'm just gonna pop that in, and what I wanted to do is play with my new gun. So I had this from Fiona Jennings and it's the fine tip one. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. So first off I'm gonna just slip that little flower doily at the bottom of there for a start. So that's that one. So I got an array of flowers and different things on the desk. And what I was going to do is put that on first, but I didn't want this bigger piece on you, so I'm going to cut this off because I don't need that. I can use that on something else, so it won't be wasted. So just trim that off. I'm only cutting just to put that onto there, so that should be enough there. Oh. So I'll cut that off there. So I just wanted the dangly bits, so I'm gonna just pop these on at the bottom of here and just stick them on to the cage. And there you go, like that. Oh. So that dangly bit stuck underneath there. There you go. And then put a glue stick in them. And another one by there, like that. Just cut that off to there. Oh. Oh. So you've got those dangles there, like so. That's pretty already. I had a few of these from the pound shop when they were 25p, and I picked up a few, and they've been stuck in the stash. Never used them, so I thought, well, let's use them. Then I got this pretty gathered lace, and I was going to put that on the top of there. That was my thinking. So let's find the right and the wrong way. I think that's right. And I'm going to pop it on. Just on the edge of that lace, like that. Oh, this is a much better gun than the other one I had. Oh my god, it was burning me and it was coming out in big chunks, and then cut that off to there. And there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that's pretty. And just cut that. Just cut that straight off there, like that. There you go. So you got that at the bottom, and then its angles. Oh, that is pretty. Then I've got this blue butterfly I was going to stick on there. Then I also got, what have I done with it? This lacy one. And I don't know whether to put that lacy one on there. I don't know. Lacy. Oh, that blue. I like that lacy one, and I like that one as well. I don't know. I might put that blue one on, to be honest, because they're both pretty. So I'm just going to stick that on onto that butterfly. And then I got these flowers, and I'm going to pop these flowers where these metal ones are. So I'm going to cut off that bit. And stick them onto that metal bit for a minute. And the same for that one. That looks pretty already. Didn't do much to it. But I was going to put a ray of... Oh, it's coming stuck by there, look. Put some more glue on there. Hold that for a minute. What I was going to do is put some ray of flowers going up the sides of here. And you've got to be quick because it's metal. It's so I'm going to cut 3 of these blue ones and 3 white ones. And 3 of them ones. And I've got some of these. Oh. Some of these Saint Stamens. I'm just gonna get a few of them in my hand. Fold them in half. Fold them in half. Just pop a little bit of glue on the bottom. And twirl them. And then they stays together like so. So I can pop them in. And I'm just gonna one on the bottom of there. There's one here and there. No. And I'm just going to run the flowers up the sides on the wires for now. Turn it this way so I can see. And this piece of stamen under that flower, because you've got no back on them. You can't put anything really in to stick them, so it's hard to stick them onto anything really. And I've got, I did have in here, I don't know what I've done with it now. Might have put it up here. Yeah, I have. I've got this twine and it's full of spiders. Get out, I want you. This twine, and it got like a leaf on it, and I'm gonna pop some glue on the bottom so it don't unravel. And I should have put that on first, I think. I'm gonna pop some on there, stick it in there. And I'm gonna just wind it in between there. Like it's going up the leaf. The leaves are going up the cut the excess off there. I might give it something to stick to. Maybe. So just stick that to there a moment and cut that bit off, excess off, like that. And then this is the leafy bit. Let me see if I can stick that to this side by here with the leaves showing, and then just cut off that excess. Don't need that bit then, that's better. And then these flowers, I might stick to this a bit better now. Yeah, that's better. I'm sticking to that now. Yeah, that's better. giving them something to stick to. And I'll run the heat gun over this to get all the cobwebs off. More of these. These are pretty. There's some pink ones in here. They're like blue with the pinks in them. The whitey one. White one up there. And I got the little rosebuds, and I'm going to put some little rosebuds in there. Put 3 in, swirl them together. Cut the excess off. Put them in there and pop the leaf over the top. There you go, that's it. Oh, that looks pretty. I want another one. There's these down there. To hide that bit of blue on there. And then another one of them. Right there. Pretty. Oh, that is pretty. That's pretty, look at that. Just a couple of flowers and a bit of lace and dangle trim. I'm liking that. You'd still be able to open it to put your tea light in. And then I've got these 2 little doves, and I'm going to pop them in. I'm going to pop one. Oops. I'm going to pop one on the top of these flowers by here. And I'm going to pop this one on the top of that flower by there, like so. And then I've got some white ribbon, and I'm going to pop the ribbon there. Put it together, and I'm going to bring those 2 together. I should have put it on there first, you fool. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Go through there. And then it'll go through there. And what I'm going to do is get a white flower. And pop a white flower on there, like that. Get a blue flower. I'll pop a blue flower behind, like that. And I'll load that ribbon up. Put them back in there so I don't lose them. And there's some more of these little statements, whatever you call it. Go in the bin. With a glue. Twirl them. So, and I think that is really pretty. I like that. I do like that. Oops. And I think I'm gonna call that a day because I don't like it too much. But I might put one in flour. See if I can glue it in between them. Like that, so it's connecting. I think that's okay. For me, yeah, it's connected them now. That's better. And get rid of that rubbish. Then to the side. And then that's really pretty. I feel like that because I'm going to give this away. And all you got to do is, so you can open it. You've got a little clip on there. And then you open it. It's still open. And you put a tea light in it. Close it back up. And you can hang it up. Or you can put it up on a shelf somewhere. And I'm going to give this away, as I said. And all you got to do is be a subscriber and share this video. And all you got to do is mention the word butterfly. And you could, I put all your names in a hat. And if your name comes out and I know you shared this video and liked the video and put your names in a hat and I draw your name out and you could, I'll send this out to you. So thank you all for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all very soon. So bye for now. Bye.